Sudan People Liberation Movement fell or Deemin. Sudan People's Liberation Movement Deemin. Why? Because tribes in South Sudan or government in South Sudan is governing by tribe or tribes. So they're turning into tribalism system or governing because of their interests and their desires. But did you already forgot about the civil war that we had in South Sudan? And we had because of discrimination, because of religions control, and also Sudan were controlling us, all the tribes. And now we moved on and we got South Sudan. Yet still there's a lot of conflicts, a lot of wars in South Sudan among tribes. That means there's no one is good. There's no one is better in this world, in the world that we are living right now. Because after civil war that we had in Sudan, because of those consequences that we know in Sudan, yet there's a problems in South Sudan as well. So because of tribes on the power like Denkins, Nuer, tribes or people, now they're demanding power. They want to make their own, governing their own, system. And that's because of their interests, their need, their desires. And they're making things, they're making places for themselves, for their own good. Not for Mabaan, not for Suluk, not for Equatorian or Great Equatorian people. Not for Morley, not for Blue Nile or Uduk, none of those. They're making themselves important, better than other tribes. That's wrong. That's not right. So there's nobody good in this world. We messed up. We screwed up in the world that we are living right now. In this world that we are right now is the world of desire, of hearts that needs, that wants things, but not other people, just themselves. The desires for themselves, not the rest of people, because they think other people are not good, they are less, and they are not better than them. But we are. We are the same them. We are good as them. We are like them. terne wi tenne men gel bala pochimba men podange balaba yiti kedum ba dinki kedum ba noran ekin goke aga ekin podgent os ekin nungun nun aga nun ekin ban aga ban ekin Sudan, South Sudan waranda aga ban ekin kigen aga kigen ekin kana tuk dal aga tuk ekin boljon yaay gen nang ten ekin won ekin poke min ban be ekin poke sulug ne be os ekin poke keden poken be ekin yonge awog ekin boljon yaay ni yajan boljon abal nyomba ekin yirti keden ken ekin anang tena poda ekin ameken nungun aga nun ekin nun poda ti wog ekin os ekin waka anka nang ten poddi ti keden bana pokent ekin nungun ti dog ekin boljini yaay dal ngete ke keden bana osimin ban osi aita gokka moki buktuak bete ang gen buktuak ang ekin dalton osi dwongji ek buaka jik dwongji ang ek dalton buaka ik muktin wan ekin poda ti ikitaba ekin poda ti keden pokin taba ik putin wahanda ik putin ya ita pukcha yagub kuna akke nengana pochiala ne podogati eggo kagi jik lan osi jik tiwin beati ang ekkiti jika nene binti yum ekkiti asan yum ekke no wajiju ti jika ti jik bokti wak yum ekke no jizu anka ekin wak ek wak ni ekke wak osi wak bak ektie ekke nukima ti bokti wak asa ni ekke kurka mutketi wak mega puken osi ni ekke yakiti gingel ide beye ekke tiwe anka ekke nuwe wanna yiti wak ge ba ekiti